Welcome back to another TikTok tutorial, everyone. This video will show you exactly how to properly disclose and label AI-generated content on your TikTok videos to stay compliant with TikTok's guidelines and avoid potential violations. So if you've generated a video using AI before uploading it to TikTok, you must label it as AI-generated because TikTok requires you to do so. And let's start by opening the TikTok application on our mobile phone and then click on the little plus option in order to open the TikTok camera app. You can now go through the process of editing the video as you normally would. And I'll upload a regular video as an example because I don't have an AI-generated one. Keep in mind that you have to do this with videos that are AI-generated only, not with regular videos. So I'm now on this page where I need to add the description and similar stuff, but let's tap on More Options, which will open another section for us. And you can see the option which we are looking for, which is this AI-generated content. By enabling this, TikTok will add a label to your video that tells viewers your content was generated or edited with AI. This is important because it keeps you compliant with TikTok's content policies and helps you avoid violations or having your videos taken down. And that's how you label AI-generated content on TikTok. If this video was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.